Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of TSA security lines because, let's face it, they could be the most stressful parts of any travel journey. But fear not, because I have 10 airport security tips to help you breeze those TSA lines with ease. Before we jump into these tips, let me just say, I have been on countless flights globally and navigated my own fair share of security lines. So trust me when I say I have seen it all. If it's your first time here, my name is Sassy, here to make travel more seamless for you. If you like content like what I've already shared today, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. So let's kick things off. Mistake number 1, not dressing prepared. Picture this, you're standing in line, struggling to take off your shoes because they have a million laces. Opt for slip-on shoes to save time and hassle. When it comes to footwear, slip-on shoes are your best friend. They're easy to take off and put back on, minimizing the time spent at the security checkpoints. Plus, they're also comfortable when walking around the airport. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Mistake number 2, Cluny Accessories. Say goodbye to that bulky belt and layers upon layers of clothing. Keep it simple and streamline your outfits for a smoother security process. Belt, jewelry, and excessive layers can slow you down at security. Instead, opt for clothing without any metal accessories and consider wearing a jacket with zipper pockets for easy storage of your belongings. This simple adjustment can shave off valuable minutes of your time at security. Mistake number 3, not packing with security in mind. Keep your liquids and electronics easily accessible in one designated pocket. A little organization goes a long way, my friends. Organization is key when it comes to packing for the airport. Keep your liquids and electronics in a separate pocket or pouch within your carry-on bag. This way you can quickly retrieve them when you're going through security instead of fumbling through your entire bag. Trust me, it's a game changer. Mistake number 5, and many of us are guilty of this, me too in the past, but I know better now. It's arriving with insufficient time. Plan ahead and give yourself plenty of time to navigate security, especially during those peak hours. Nothing adds to travel stress like cutting it close at the airport. Always aim to arrive with ample time to spare, especially during those peak travel hours and travel seasons like summer. This allows you to navigate security at your own pace and reduces the risk of you missing your flight. Remember, it's better to be early than to be rushing through security at the last minute. Trust me, I know. Mistake number 5, not being aware of your surroundings. Keep your eye peeled for the signage and listen to instructions from TSA agents. Stay alert to avoid any unexpected surprises. The truth is, airports can be a bustling hub full of activity, but staying alert can help you navigate security with ease. Pay attention to the signage and announcements and be mindful of your surroundings. This awareness can help you anticipate security procedures and avoid unnecessary delays. Trust me, a little vigilance goes a long way. Mistake number 6, not having your documentation prepared. Keep all your documents organized and easily accessible. When it comes to travel documents, preparation is key. Keep your boarding pass, ID, and necessary documentation in a designated pouch. This ensures that you can quickly present them to security without holding up the line. Mistake number 7, not having your hands free. Make sure everything you have has a phone that is not your hands, and avoid carrying items in your hands. Stay hands-free for a smoother process. Traveling with your hands full can make navigating security that much more challenging. Opt for a backpack or travel bag with ample compartments to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. This allows you to breeze through security with your hands free, making the process much smoother. Trust me, it's a game changer. Mistake number 8, not picking the right security line. Yes. Pay attention to who is around you, who is in your line, and choose wisely. Avoid lines with bumbling travelers for a quicker experience. Choosing the right security line can make all the difference in your airport experience. Look for lines with experienced travelers, you know them, and avoid those with large groups and inexperienced travelers. This can help you breeze through the lines with minimal delays, allowing you to relax and enjoy the journey. Trust me, a little observation can save you a lot of time. Mistake number 9, rushing through security. Remember, smooth is fast when it comes to security. Stay calm and take your time to avoid any mishaps. It's only natural to feel a sense of urgency when you're navigating security, but rushing can lead to delays and mistakes. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and move through the security process at a steady pace. This allows you to actually focus at the task at hand and reduces your risk of overlooking important details. Trust me, a little patience goes a very long way. And finally, mistake number 10, creating problems, not solution. Be a part of the solution and help fellow travelers out where needed, whether it's a mom with kids, an elderly person. Let's make the security process smoother for everyone. Traveling can be stressful, but a little kindness goes a very long way. If you see fellow travelers, for example, a parent, a mother, traveler with young kids, offer them a helping hand or a friendly smile. This not only makes security a much smoother process, but also creates a positive and more enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Trust me, a little kindness goes a very long way. So that's it, guys. The 10 TSA security line mistakes to avoid. I hope they were useful. Let me know in the comments if they were. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I will see you all on my next video.